Hello guys, how are you? I hope so. Now we are going to talk about 2022 Ford Bronco Everglades announced with factory winch. But before I have to ask you to subscribe and leave your like, let's go to the video. Details about the Ford Bronco Everglades are finally here. It will come with a factory installed winch and snorkel, and will be available in summer 2022. According to a tweet from Ford spokesperson Mike Levine, the model will be on the automaker's build and price tool soon, so you'll be able to specify one. Unfortunately, we have no photos or additional details about the Bronco Everglades. Given the snorkel and the name Everglades, it seems like Ford is positioning this model to be tailored for going through water. Presumably, the Sasquatch package would be available with its 35-inch Goodyear mud-terrain tires on 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels, Dana locking differentials, and Bilstein shocks. The Bronco is shaping up to be an even better SUV for the 2022 model year. One of the biggest additions will be the Bronco Raptor. It will reportedly be available in a base model or a luxe trim, and will possibly only come as a four-door. Rumors suggest two possible powertrains. The Bronco Raptor might get the twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 from the Explorer ST with 400 horsepower. The other possibility is twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 from the F-150 Raptor making 450 horsepower. Spy shots show the SUV with big fender flares and a suspension lift. Skid plates protect the vital mechanical components. There are also smaller bumpers for improved approach and departure angles. Other tweaks for the 2022 Bronco include the Sasquatch package being available with the 7-speed manual transmission. There are also new exterior colors: hot pepper red metallic tinted clear coat and eruption green metallic. The shades antimatter blue, lightning blue metallic, and rapid red metallic tinted clear coat are going away. The burning question is whether the production issues plaguing the Bronco might continue into the model's second model year of availability. Only time will give us the answer to that though. So that's it guys, comment what you think of this article and don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.